Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a little something that may seem odd at first, but it's actually a completely proven side hustle, and it's called matched betting. Now I've got two props with me here, a trusty old whiteboard and our Wheel of Fortune. Now one important thing to get your head around is the fact that whilst we will be making bets, we're not going to be gambling. Nothing we do will ever be based on chance or luck, and I'm about to explain to you why that is. Firstly, we've got two bookmakers here, Bookmaker 1 and Bookmaker 2. Now, there are endless bets that you can make things on, such as sports or politics or casinos, but for the purpose of this demo, we're going to use our Wheel of Fortune. Now, let's say that Bookmaker 1 has an offer for us, and the offer is if you bet £50 with them, you get £50 free. Bookmaker 2 has the same offer, bet £50 with them, and you get £50 free. Now, for the sake of this demo, what we're going to do is, with Bookmaker 1, we're going to bet that the wheel is going to land on green. And for Bookmaker 2, we're going to bet that the wheel is going to land not on green, so any other colour. Okay, so we spin the wheel, drum roll, and it's landed on yellow, so it's not green. So what does that mean? That means our bet with Bookmaker 1 lost, because it didn't land on green, but we still have the £50 bonus with them, so we've actually not lost any money with these guys at all. Now for the good stuff. With Bookmaker 2, we won our bet, so we get our £50 stake back, and we also get the £50 bonus. Now the odds for the wheel not landing on green were 1.1, which means we also get a £5 payout on that, which means our total profit for Bookmaker 2 was £55, and with Bookmaker 1, we broke even. Now this Wheel of Fortune is simply a prop to help me explain the process of match betting to you. It's possible to do this with thousands of events, and you never need to watch a single thing. Each and every time, you're going to know what your profit is before the game or event even starts. And there's no gambling involved. All we're doing is exploiting the bonuses that bookies offer to regular gamblers. The reason they can make these wild offers is because they know that regular gamblers are going to bring them big profits further down the line. I've spent years of my life perfecting our website along with my lovely team, making this entire process as easy as possible. So today you can simply visit our website, enter your email address, and enjoy our free trial. Follow our instructions and you can make a profit on your first day, and we're not even going to ask you for your card details. It's all here for the taking, you just need to do it.